Hello, everyone. Welcome to Happy English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Before we start, please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Today, we will talk about your daily routine.
Daily routine means what you do every day.
We will use simple English.
Listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Tom, what is a daily routine?
A daily routine is my everyday activities.
Good. Everyday activities.
Yes, things I do every day.
Let's start with morning.
Morning is the start of the day.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Repeat.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Listeners, now you try.
I wake up at...
Good. What do you do after you wake up?
I get out of bed.
Repeat.
I get out of bed.
Then what do you do?
I wash my face.
Repeat.
I wash my face.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
Repeat.
I brush my teeth.
Good. What do you do next?
I take a shower.
Repeat.
I take a shower.
Listeners, say it.
I take a shower.
After that,
I get dressed.
repeat.
I get dressed.
Very good. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs and bread.
Repeat.
I eat breakfast.
Now, listeners.
I eat breakfast every day.
Excellent. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee.
Repeat.
I drink coffee.
Good. What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8.
Repeat.
I leave home at 8.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Repeat.
I go by bus.
You can also say, I go by car.
I go by car.
Or, I walk to work.
I walk to work.
Good. Now let's talk about work or school.
Okay.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
Repeat.
I start work at 9.
What do you do at work?
I work on my computer.
Repeat.
I work on my computer.
Are you busy at work?
Yes, I am busy.
Repeat.
I am busy.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Repeat.
I like my job.
Good. What do you do during the day?
I write emails and talk to people.
Repeat.
I write emails and talk to people.
Listeners, say it.
I write emails.
Do you take a break?
Yes, I take a break.
Repeat.
I take a break.
Listeners, say it.
I take a break.
After that,
I get dressed.
repeat.
I get dressed.
Very good. Do you eat lunch?
Yes, I eat lunch.
What do you eat?
I eat rice and chicken.
Repeat.
I eat lunch.
Excellent. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5.
Repeat.
I finish work at 5.
Good. Now let's talk about evening.
Evening is relaxing time.
What do you do after work?
I go home.
Repeat.
I go home.
What do you do at home?
I relax.
Repeat.
I relax.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Repeat.
I watch TV.
Do you use your phone?
Yes, I use my phone.
Repeat.
Yes, I use my phone.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Excellent. What do you do at night?
I eat dinner.
Repeat.
I eat dinner.
What do you eat?
I eat simple food.
Good. Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, I spend time with my family.
Repeat.
I spend time with my family.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Repeat.
I read books.
Good. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Repeat.
I go to bed at 10.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Repeat.
Yes, I sleep well.
Excellent. Now let's make a full daily routine.
Okay.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I work during the day.
I work during the day.
I go home.
I go home.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
I go to bed at 10.
I go to bed at 10.
Very good. Now, listeners, your turn.
Speak with us.
I wake up at.
I eat breakfast at.
I go to.
I work from 9 to 5.
I relax.
I go to bed at 10.
Great job. Now let's review.
Review time.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I work.
I work.
I relax.
I relax.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Very good. Practice every day.
Speak every day.
Your English will improve.
Step by step.
Great. Let's continue talking about your daily routine.
Yes, more practice will help us speak better.
We will add more details.
Simple words but longer sentences.
Listen carefully and repeat. Tom, do you use an alarm?
Yes, I use an alarm.
What time does your alarm ring?
My alarm rings at 7.
Repeat.
My alarm rings at 7.
Do you wake up quickly?
Sometimes I wake up quickly.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I feel sleepy.
Repeat.
I feel sleepy.
What do you do when you feel sleepy?
I drink coffee.
Repeat.
I drink coffee.
Good. After breakfast, do you check your phone?
Yes, I check my phone.
What do you check?
I check messages.
Repeat.
I check messages.
Do you check social media?
Yes, I check social media.
Repeat.
I check social media.
Good. Now let's talk about going to work.
Okay.
How long does it take to go to work?
It takes 30 minutes.
Repeat.
It takes 30 minutes.
Is the traffic busy?
Yes, the traffic is busy.
Repeat.
The traffic is busy.
Do you listen to music on the way?
Yes, I listen to music.
Repeat.
I listen to music.
Very good. When you arrive at work, what do you do first?
I turn on my computer.
Repeat.
I turn on my computer.
Then what do you do?
I check my emails.
Repeat.
I check my emails.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, I have meetings.
Repeat.
I have meetings.
Are meetings long?
Sometimes they are long.
Repeat.
Sometimes they are long.
Good. Do you talk with your coworkers?
Yes, I talk with my coworkers.
Repeat.
I talk with my coworkers.
Are they friendly?
Yes, they are friendly.
Repeat.
They are friendly.
Excellent. Now let's talk about lunchtime.
Okay,
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at a cafe.
Repeat.
I eat lunch at a cafe.
Do you eat alone or with friends?
I eat with friends.
Repeat.
I eat with friends.
What do you talk about?
We talk about work and life.
Repeat.
We talk about work and life.
Good. After lunch, do you feel tired?
Yes, I feel a little tired.
Repeat.
I feel a little tired.
What do you do then?
I drink coffee again.
Repeat.
I drink coffee again.
Very common. Now let's continue your workday.
Okay.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work on my tasks.
Repeat.
I work on my tasks.
Do you finish your work on time?
Yes, I finish my work on time.
Repeat.
Yes, I finish my work on time.
Or you can say, sometimes I finish late.
Sometimes I finish late.
Good. Now after work.
Evening time.
How do you feel after work?
I feel tired.
Repeat.
I feel tired.
Do you go home directly?
Yes, I go home directly.
Repeat.
Yes, I go home directly.
Do you ever go out after work?
Sometimes I go out with friends.
Repeat.
Sometimes I go out with friends.
Where do you go?
We go to a cafe.
Repeat.
We go to a cafe.
Good. Now at home.
Relax time.
What do you do first at home?
I change my clothes.
Repeat.
I change my clothes.
Then what do you do?
I sit and relax.
Repeat.
I sit and relax.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Repeat.
I watch TV.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch YouTube.
Repeat.
I watch YouTube.
Do you study English at night?
Yes, I study English at night.
Repeat.
I study English at night.
Excellent. Now let's talk about dinner.
Okay.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7.
Repeat.
I eat dinner at 7.
Do you cook or order food?
Sometimes I cook.
Repeat.
Sometimes I cook.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I order food.
Repeat.
Sometimes I order food.
Good. After dinner, what do you do?
I relax and use my phone.
Repeat.
I relax and use my phone.
Do you talk with your family?
Yes, I talk with my family.
Repeat.
I talk with my family.
Very good. Now before sleep.
Important time.
Do you brush your teeth at night?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
Repeat.
I brush my teeth.
Do you read before sleep?
Yes, I read a book.
Repeat.
I read a book.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
Repeat.
I sleep at 10.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Repeat.
Yes, I sleep well.
Excellent. Now let's make a longer daily routine.
Full practice.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
I start work at 9.
I start work at 9.
I check emails and have meetings.
I check emails and have meetings.
I eat lunch with friends.
I eat lunch with friends.
I finish work at 5.
I finish work at 5.
I go home and relax.
I go home and relax.
I eat dinner at 7.
I eat dinner at 7.
I study English at night.
I study English at night.
I go to bed at 10.
I go to bed at 10.
Very good. Now, listeners, your turn.
Speak loudly.
I wake up at.
I go to.
I work at.
I eat.
I relax at.
I sleep at.
Great job. Keep practicing every day.
Practice makes progress.
Speak slowly and clearly.
You will improve step by step.
Great. Let's continue.
Yes, more practice every day.
Now we will talk about different routines.
Because every person is different.
Tom, is your routine the same every day?
No, my routine is not always the same.
Repeat.
My routine is not always the same.
What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I wake up late.
Repeat.
I wake up late.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 9 or 10.
Repeat.
I wake up at 9 or 10.
Do you eat breakfast on weekends?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat pancakes or eggs.
Repeat.
I eat pancakes.
Good. Do you go out on weekends?
Yes, I go out with friends.
Repeat.
I go out with friends.
Where do you go?
I go to cafes or parks.
Repeat.
I go to cafes.
Do you like staying at home?
Yes, sometimes I stay at home.
What do you do at home?
I watch movies and relax.
Repeat.
I watch movies.
Very good. Now let's compare weekdays and weekends.
Okay.
On weekdays, I wake up early.
On weekends, I wake up late.
On weekdays, I work.
On weekends, I relax.
On weekdays, I am busy.
On weekends, I am free.
Repeat together.
On weekdays, I work. On weekends, I relax.
Excellent. Now let's talk about healthy habits.
Healthy life is important.
Do you exercise every day?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Repeat.
I exercise 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I walk and run.
Repeat.
I walk and run.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I eat healthy food.
Repeat.
I eat healthy food.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink a lot of water.
Repeat.
I drink a lot of water.
Good habits. Now let's talk about bad habits.
Everyone has some bad habits.
Do you use your phone too much?
Yes, I use my phone too much.
Repeat.
I use my phone too much.
Do you sleep late sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I sleep late.
Repeat.
Sometimes I sleep late.
Good honesty. Now let's make a longer story about your day.
Full speaking practice.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I eat breakfast and drink coffee.
I eat breakfast and drink coffee.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
I start work at 9.
I start work at 9.
I check emails and have meetings.
I check emails and have meetings.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
I finish work at 5.
I finish work at 5.
I go home and relax.
I go home and relax.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I watch TV or study English.
I watch TV or study English.
I go to bed at 10.
I go to bed at 10.
Very good. Now, listeners, your turn.
Speak clearly.
I wake up at.
I eat.
I go to.
I work.
I relax.
I sleep at.
Excellent job. Now, final review.
Review time.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I relax in the evening.
I relax in the evening.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
On weekends, I relax.
On weekends, I relax.
I exercise and eat healthy food.
I exercise and eat healthy food.
Amazing work today.
You learned how to talk about your daily routine.
Keep practicing every day.
Speak English every day.
Comment below.
Tell us about your daily routine.
Thank you for listening to Happy English.
Please subscribe to the Happy English channel.
Share this podcast with your friends.
Keep learning and improving.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.